Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun drawing mashup video, I'll be showing you how to draw Goku versus Godzilla. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Goku versus Godzilla attack, let's begin with Goku. So I'm going to start right down here. I'm going to draw him kind of small. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to come back for the eye. Then I'm going to come down here. And I'm going to make a little curved line here. Next, I'm going to make a little bump there. And then I'll make a little line that's going to go out and then in for the nose. Then we're going to put a little dot in there for the pupil. Next, I'm going to curve this line in and out. And then right here, I'm going to bring this line out and then down. I'm going to curve this line up and then down for the mouth. I'm going to bring this line in and then back. Then we'll make a little line here for the teeth and a little line here. Then we're going to go down and we can just kind of color this part in for the mouth. Next, back here, I'm going to make the ear, so I'm just going to kind of curve a line around for the ear. And then we'll draw a little line in there for some detail. I'm going to go down, over, and then up for like his sideburns. And then I'm going to bring this line up here, and then up. I'm going to make this line come up and then down for the eyebrow. Next, I'm going to curl this line around, and then I'm going to bring it up and then around here for part of the hair. And then another one that comes down and up. I'm going to curve a line there. Next, for the hair, let's make a line that's going to come up and down here. We'll make another one that's going to curve up and down like this. Another one here, and then a smaller one there. We'll make a big point here. And then we'll make a couple little smaller points there. We'll make one here. And then we're going to make one that's going to come down and then in here. Then up here, I'm going to bring this up and then back, and then we're going to bring this out and then come to here. Next, I'm going to come down and then over to here for the jaw. And then I'm going to make a little line down for the neck. For his shoulder, let's curl this up. We'll leave some space, and we're going to come down and then around here. And then we're going to curl this around. Let's bring this up and then down. And we'll go down and up here. And then we'll bring this up. I'm going to bring this line up and then over. And we'll kind of do the same thing, bring this line up. I'm going to bring these lines a little bit farther out. And then I'm going to make some little kind of like points on here. We'll bring these in, and then we'll do a little curve here. Now for the hand, we're going to go up and then in. Then I'll bring this up, and then we're going to curl it back around. We're going to make another one here, and then we'll make the little pinky right there. I want to make a little line that's going to curve down and then a line here. I want to make another zigzag line here and then kind of bring these two lines up. We'll go down and then down and up again for that other arm. Then I'm going to bring this line down with a little bump here, and we'll kind of curl it back up. We'll make another curl here, and then one here. We'll make two lines that come up. Let's go out and then bring this around here for the thumb. Now we want to make it look like his clothes are kind of like tattered and they're kind of blowing backwards. So I'm going to make some kind of pointed little zigzag lines that come back like this. We'll make a couple more like this. Then we'll make a couple little curvy ones here, like that. Next, I'm going to make a little bit of a wavy line here. We'll do a little bump there for a sash, and then we're going to bring these lines out to here and then back. We'll curve another one here and around. Now I'm going to bring a couple little lines here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring a couple lines here. Next, I'm going to make some wavy lines. They're just going to kind of come down and then back like this. I'm going to curve a couple little lines up. I'm going to bring these lines to here so it kind of looks like he's kneeling. And then we're going to bring these lines up and down to connect. I'll make this line come in, down, and then back. Do a little curve. We'll bring this in. I'll make a little line that's just going to kind of come around and then up. Next, right here, I'm going to make a couple little kind of bumpy lines. We're going to put a little zigzag where it looks like his pants are tore. Then we're going to make a couple more that's just going to come down to here. We'll make some little lines there. Make this line come down, over, and up. Little line across. And then we're just going to make this line come down and then up to here. They'll make a bump in here for the knee. Now for some quick little details on here, we'll make some little lines on the arm. And then a couple more little lines. We'll make some little lines here. And a few around here. We'll make another little zigzag here so it kind of looks like it's been torn, and we'll put some lines for the knee. And we'll make some of these lines come across more for the pants. Then we can add some little quick small lines right along the hair. And this will just kind of give it a little bit more of that texture and detail that we're looking for. Now, up here, we're going to make Godzilla. So obviously, we're not going to make him, to scale compared to Goku, but that's okay. We're still going to make him look pretty big. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make this line come down, and I'm going to curve it back to here. I'm going to make this line curve around here for the eye. I'll make this line come up and down, and I'll just kind of put a couple more little spikes there. I'll bring this line back and then kind of add some of these curved lines around. And I'm going to add some more of these extra lines here. I'm going to make this kind of line come up here. And I'm going to make some little curved lines. They're just going to kind of come down here past the eye. I'll do one more here, kind of these broken lines. I'm going to bring this line out for the nose. I'm going to bring this line down here. I'm going to add a little curved line here, and then I'm going to add this line that's going to come down here for the nose. We're going to add this broken line around here. I'm going to bring this line down, and then up, and then back here. And then I'm going to bring this line down here, and we'll kind of curve it up here. We'll bring a line down here, and then some little extra lines here. Then we're going to come up here, we're going to add another little line there for the other part of the eye. Let's make some broken lines coming right along here. Make a little line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And we're going to make this line kind of come down and up. And we're just going to curve this off to here. Next, I'm going to fill up Godzilla's mouth with some sharp pointed teeth. Then we're going to do the same thing down here, just kind of fill up the mouth with some sharp pointed teeth. I'm going to bring this line kind of down and then up and down for the tongue. Next, I'm going to make some more kind of broken lines that just kind of come right around here on the face. And some more right here by the eye. And we're going to make some more lines around here, and then just some kind of detailed broken lines kind of coming up and down the face here. And then we'll put a small little spike right there. Now I want it to kind of look like both Goku and Godzilla are shooting their big blasts at each other. So I'm going to start right here with Goku, and I'm going to just kind of make this zigzag kind of pointed line here. I'm going to do the same thing down here. Make it kind of nice and long here. And we're going to put some kind of little broken lines here. And I'm going to make some lines that are going to come out here. These are going to be a little bit more wavy by Godzilla. And then I'm going to make these kind of like more kind of curved like fire. And these are going to kind of be right there. We're going to make some little extra broken lines on here. Just to kind of make it look like Godzilla's shooting his blast at Goku and he's trying his best to stop it. And there you go, there's your drawing of Goku versus Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.